are here at Oakhurst Manor in Henry County, Georgia to tour this ranch style plan. It has an unfinished basement and bonus space and bedroom upstairs. Y'all are really gonna like this plan. It has a lot of features that you all like: large island, gas range, and a tree lined lot. Come on in and let's see this home. As soon as you walk in this home, you have this flex space that you can use as a living room or an office. And then right this way, you have bedroom number 1. First of all, it has a walk-in closet, and then it's connected with a Jack and Jill bathroom. That leads into bedroom number 2. And this bedroom also has a walk-in closet. There's also plenty of storage in this space. You have a coat closet right there, and then you come down this hall to your half bathroom. And right through this door, you have your 3-car garage. And once you come back in, you have the laundry room. And then this door leads down into your unfinished basement. So once you come from down the hallway, you have this massive dining space. You can fit a really big table in here, which leads into your living area. You see you have plenty of light coming in, and the ceilings are also higher with recessed lights. Plenty of room for your furnishings, and then you have a lovely fireplace. Right next to that living space, you have the kitchen area. Really big island with a granite countertop. You also have double ovens and that beloved gas range. You gotta have gas. And you also have a pantry right here. Now, right off the kitchen, you also have some informal space where you can have a table for breakfast and lunch or dinner, however you decide. And then these doors lead out into your deck. And you can see that beautiful tree-lined lot. So now let's head into the primary suite, which is on this main level. Very convenient. And then you have your primary right here with the tray ceilings and recessed lighting, plenty of windows. And this is kind of almost like a little extra sitting area over here too. So now it's time to see your ensuite. So you see you have your 2 separate vanities with a soaker tub, and then a stand-up glass enclosed shower. Beyond that, you have your walk-in closet. So that's it for this level. Let's head upstairs and see the remaining bedroom and bonus space. So once we get upstairs, I really like this space because it's like its own little separate apartment. You have this whole space that you can use how you want, kind of like another living room if you would like. You have some storage through this door, a full bathroom right here. And then the fourth and final bedroom right in here with a walk-in closet. Plenty of space. This community does have an HOA. It's $550 per year and it includes a fire pit. And if you're interested in this home right now, I can work out an amazing deal for you. Just give me a call.